Montego Bay, Jamaica's second largest city, is the starting point for tourists from all over the world.
Jamaica is a lovely, peaceful country, and although it has a bad reputation in some parts of the media, I found it very peaceful.
Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Yes, boss. Police in helicopter, I search for marijuana. Policemen in the streets, searching for cali weed. Soldiers in the field, burning the cali weed. But if you continue to burn up the herbs, we gonna burn down the cane.